check out the roos. I was hoping to get a good shot of them. Absolutely beautiful morning. Last minute decision to go for a ride today. It was just too good of a day. Yeah, lots of excuses not to ride today. Been away from home most of last week. Going away again tomorrow. So I haven't seen my wife much. My body is aching from work. I'm trying to build a BSA and I have a nice little project for the V-Strom. But excuses to ride. Look at it. Absolutely glorious day. Going to meet up with Steve and Jules and Joe, I think, are going. Not sure who else. Righto, just leaving Blackwood. Good to catch up with the guys. I'm making my own way home. They're heading out to Lerderderg. I'm going to go through Wombat back home. Got to get home early today. So if you want to see what those guys get up to, go check out Macedon Dual Sport, Squeaky Boot, and keep your data tool safe. Oh, and JB if Joe does a video. Yeah, on Easter Monday track. I'm going to go that way. Just trying to decide which way to go. Don't know these guys, they're not with me. I'm on my own. Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, all good, mate, all good. Deciding which way to go over the hill or around.
The mine's down here.
The what, sorry?
Do you know if the mine's down here?
No, I haven't seen a mine.
There's a mine, Easter Monday mine.
Yeah, okay. Oh, righto. Yeah, I've never seen it. I've been through here a few times.
All you do is go around and look.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, I'll stay behind. Yeah, these guys said they're looking for Easter Monday mine. Didn't even think there'd be a mine here. I always wondered where that Easter Monday track come from. They're usually named after whatever mines in the area. I'm just leaving them in front because they're on much more capable bikes for this kind of thing. Oh shit, don't remember that being so bloody deep. Get into a second. Oh mate, we've got some big steps there. See which way these go. The left one's better. I think. Yes, I'm keeping my ride short today. I've got a 3:30 start in the morning. I've got to be in Cheltenham at 6 AM. So a bit over a month ago I started a new job, been flat out. It's pretty hectic. Yeah, it's a bit weird, taking a bit of getting used to. People say weird things like good job, thanks for your help. Just not used to that kind of encouragement. See ya. Yeah, I'd love to go mine hunting with those guys. They'll have to wait for another day. Oh shit. Now, have I mentioned that it's a beautiful day today? Check that out. It's on, is it Nolan Ridge track? May as well go over the hill. Might as well. We're going for quality over quantity today. Short ride, so we may as well get in all the hard tracks. We'll do that one hand at a time this week. Oh, good thing I folded those mirrors in. Far out. pushed me bloody Barkbuster down. It was a bit solider than I thought, that branch. Far out. I should have. A rocky old track. Just got that clutch right in on the brakes hard. Okay, I'm going to go over to that right. Oh, through the branches. You know what? Ooh. Lovely. We'll duck straight across the road onto the next section. Through the water, looks a bit disgusting. Cool, nice solid base on that one. I think some of them are a bit softer. This is the northern end of Nolan Ridge track. It's still very rocky, but nothing like that southern end. It's steep with a lot of big rock steps. Yeah, I'm going round. That one looks very soft. What's this one going to be like? Pretty good. Oh, this one looks soft. Just stay up. Stay up this top side, hopefully. Wow, that shit's soft. Wow, that's like bloody quicksand, that shit. There we go, those tyres. I knew one of those was soft. Mud flying everywhere. Oh, another one. How mud is this one? We just go out here. We're good. Don't think those ones are as bad. So we just Mount View track. Haven't done this one for a long time. Goes down through, I think it's Nolan Creek down there. Absolutely beautiful through here. What do we got? A bit of water down the bottom. That's usually muddy down there. And then it yeah, goes up the mountain. Let's go have a look. Righto, what's my best bet here? We go this left, I reckon. Yeah, nothing to worry about. Just a bit nervous now after that bloody one on Nolan Ridge. Oh, look at this, how beautiful. See, it's got a nice green tinge to it, so you know it's good and slippery. Up we go. Oh, a lot lot of loose rocks in this bit. That's it. Get her up to second, get some speed up. Nice. I think we'll be just going straight in. This is pretty deep. We got a decent sized rut on the left there. I'm going to stick with the centre. Yeah, let's get moving. It's pretty smooth. What's this one like? Shit! Fucking hell. Slippery. Yeah, I know there's a chicken track. That looks hard to get up onto. We'll check that water now. Stopped. Fucking hell. Look ahead, they say. Look ahead. Don't worry about the mud right in front of you. Righto, let's see what this water's like. Beautiful. Oh man, that stinks. Wow, got a chicken track around it at least. Check that out. To break off like that, the roots must be already dead. That's a decent sized tree. A smallish root ball. Whoa. Yeah, I'm not going in that one. Righto, that's it for this video. Good to catch up with the guys for a coffee, and I did some great riding on my own. Awesome tracks through Wombat. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I shall see you next time.